and look at my t-shirt. It says, Alexa, I need Y. Oh my god, look at that. I got some white. So Ashley made this t-shirt for me. I told you guys in our previous vlog also that she has started a new business where she makes t-shirts, all these amazing things. You can get these prints in your coffee mugs, wherever you want. So check out the link in the description box below. And before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment.
And now I have to apologize because we had this amazing video recorded for the one before the last video we recently posted.
It was Saturday's vlog.
Yes, and it got deleted by me. So it was the awesome video where I pranked this girl here and it would have been so much fun to watch, and we were a little bummed this morning, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but that's
okay. Much amazing videos going on, and look at those.
Look at them. They are literally playing in the couch over there.
Astro.
And Ashley over here, she is making dirt cake.
Astro, play with you.
So I came back home and she has all the ingredients ready, and I have no idea about the recipe, so she's gonna show you every single thing that she's doing. And this is her favorite grandma's cake.
Yep, dirt cake.
Yeah, it's called dirt cake, and it's her grandma's recipe. Like very, very, very extremely delicious recipe. So we are super excited to try it. So let's get started. So what are you doing first?
I am chopping up the Oreos to make like crumbs.
Okay.
Going in between each layer.
So she's taking like the normal Oreo, like the which one is this? Milk Oreo.
Yep.
And not any other flavor. So go ahead and take that, and she's gonna chop it all the way through.
Yep.
Okay. All right. So while she is what do you say?
Chopping it.
Yeah. I forgot, it just slipped my mind. Chopping up the Oreos. The next step that she has to do is she has to take melted butter, and then she has to take cream cheese and 1 cup of confection sugar, and in the KitchenAid she's just gonna mix it, and basically that is the second step. So I'm gonna do it for her here while she is chopping up the chopping up the Oreos. So these are all the preparation that is going on for Nitish's birthday.
Yes. He's lucky.
Yeah.
Eat the whole.
I have never tasted, but let's see. I've seen recipes in Pinterest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They make these into like kids thing, like you can put gummy worms and stuff into it.
So in here she has vanilla pudding mix and 3 cups of milk. She's mixing that. The cream cheese mixture mixed over here. The Oreos are ready over there. So when she does the next step, I'll say that. Alright. So this is her vanilla pudding mix, and this is gonna mix with the cream cheese, butter and sugar over here. And then she's gonna mix whipped cream, right?
Yeah.
And then she's gonna mix the whipped topping and the Oreos. That's it?
Yeah. We layer all of this
Alrighty, people. Here it is, the mighty dirt cake. Oh my, look at that. And then there was some leftover. So this is for Nitish and this is for me. And then I don't know, I think they are on some kind of diet, so they won't eat it much.
Yeah, right.
But, so I'm just happy that even if it is Nitish's birthday, he made this for me and this for Nitish. Wow, look at that. I don't know what how Nitish is gonna feel about that, but anyways, it looks super cool. Okay, so I'm not sure if Tanya showed you all her t-shirts, but she's gonna show you. But let me show you the mask that Ashley made for me. Let's check that out.
मैं पूछ रही हूँ फेस पे मेकअप करके फोटो खींचोगे? जैसे जोकर की फोटो होती है.
Yes. Pura face I have to do like that white. Pura face I'll have to do white. Anyways, so that was the mask, and I guess Tanya is gonna do my makeup to actually wear the mask and take a picture for the fashion competition, mask fashion competition that's going on in my office. So it's gonna be funny. I'm excited. And we'll show you what's cooking next in this kitchen.
My people, we're seeing you after some time. It's almost going to be 8 o'clock. We're making dinner, and for dinner we are doing dosa. So we are doing dosa and then potato and then chutney. And I didn't show the recipe, like the batter, because it is store-bought. So that's why. And look at the dosa here. We have already shown you how we make dosa before.
Yep,
But
and
look
the
at this
potatoes
nice,
are almost
thin,
done here.
crisp dosa. Ooh. And the potatoes are ready over here. And then I already made the chutney. Chutney is homemade. I always make it at home. So here it is. And that is what we are doing. We are going to spread a little bit of potato and then wrap it up. So that is what is going on. And after dinner we are going to eat the delicious dirt cake. Super excited.
Alright people, so we are already done eating food. It's 8:45. We are watching a movie, and let me tell you, a picture is gonna pop up over here. That is gonna be the dosas, so you can see, and the chutney somewhere on the screen as well. And now we are gonna enjoy our dessert. So there it goes, the dirt cake, and everybody is standing over here. Look at that.
Well, this is for him.
And
You can just take this whole
this is
bowl.
for Nitish. This is for
The birthday boy can eat this one.
So this is one of his favorite things.
Birthday to me.
Oh my god, by this time I would have scooped 3 out and ate it. Take a bigger.
all the way.
Oh,
All the way.
look at that.
No, I did.
There's only 2 layers.
Oh, you meant 2 minutes?
That's because it's
Not that
thinner
deep.
pan.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, look
Yeah,
at
that's
that. What do you mean that is enough? You eat your one?
Let her say that's enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm?
That's fine for me.
Okay. Oh my god, look at that.
Yeah, that's fine for Tanya.
Excuse me? Excuse me? No, it's fine.
Yes.
And I know he will not say stop on me.
No, I'm not gonna be like that.
Just kidding. Just look at that.
Just give me a silver.
I know.
Whatever, cut me a real piece.
That's it?
Yeah, if you can take
Scoop.
all that out.
Good.
Yeah, thank you very much. You were afraid that it will last for 3-4 days, not make rasgulla, and it seems like it will last until tomorrow. That's a big deal.
Yeah, 1-2 days. That's it.
Oh my god. So let me quickly taste it because I have not tasted it yet, and then tell you guys how it is. Mmm. It is very light. It's very fluffy. I love it. I love it. I love it. That's all I can say. दे दो थोड़ी सी. बस. Keep it. You can sprinkle it on the side of the dirt cake pan only.
Yeah.
So anyways guys, we are gonna go enjoy our dirt cake and enjoy the movie, and then we'll see you guys in a bit.
It's nighty time. Good night, Astro. Alexa, switch on master bedroom's light.
Okay.
Alright, my people. Everybody's gone to sleep because everybody has to work tomorrow, and then tomorrow we're gonna celebrate Bhaiya's birthday. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna make delicious food again. Astro is sleeping in his crate. Marvel is gonna sleep. Mayang is freshing up, and I'm also gonna fresh up and sleep because a good night's sleep is very important for your beautiful skin. So anyways, thank you for watching our vlog. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. So until then, bye bye.